The Jamaican government has executed the compulsory acquisition of Marcus Garvey's home in St. Ann. However, current residents of the property said they are yet to hear from authorities about any form of relocation and or compensation.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, Olivia Babsy-Grange, has announced that the government executed compulsory acquisition of the boyhood home of national hero, the Right Excellent Marcus Mosiah Garvey in St. Ann. The property, located at 32 Market Street in St. Ann's Bay, has long been earmarked as the site of the Garvey Museum. Former Prime Minister Bruce Golding broke ground for the construction of the museum in 2011. However, construction was delayed as the government negotiated with the occupants of the property with the view of assisting them with finding alternative accommodations. In her address at the annual UNIA Marcus Garvey Awards held Friday, August 17, on the 131st anniversary of the national hero's birth, Ms. Grange said that the Commissioner of Lands has been given ministerial direction to take possession of the property. Ms. Grange said the development clears the way for the establishment of the proposed Living History Museum in honor of the national hero.
I have given the Jamaica National Heritage Trust instructions to stop talking and stop negotiating with the occupants who are on the property of the Marcus Garvey boyhood home and to proceed to compulsory acquire the property, take possession and start construction of the museum before the end of the year. We have talked enough. We have negotiated enough. But because we are a people of goodwill, and so we have ensured, we have identified the site for their relocation, but we will be moving them and we will start construction.
However, one of the homeowners at the disputed property has indicated that no discussion has been had or agreement reached about relocation and compensation. And upset Colleen Johnson said that the last communication she had with a representative from the Jamaica National Heritage Trust was in February of 2018. Since then, neither her lawyer, Linton Gordon, nor herself has been contacted to begin negotiations about the property in St. Ann's Bay or proposals for a new home. Ms. Johnson said that she was unaware of the announcement made by Minister Grange that the government has executed compulsory acquisition of the property. Johnson said recently a person who she declined to identify obtained and showed her a copy of a report regarding relocating the occupants of the property to a 3-bedroom house in Great Pond. She said no discussion was held with anyone about relocating to Great Pond.
They go and found the place in Great Pond for us. Nobody tell me that, Ms. Johnson. Well, tell you what we're going to do. We have housing solution for y'all now. And we're going to relocate you to Great Pond. This is a house and take us there hour. Nothing like that, no consultation. Nobody not come to me, come say nothing. So hold on, I catch on me lift and that's when they just come pick me up and carry me places where up not my choice. Listen, my son got the front of high school. My son took the bus right out at the corner right here, ma'am. I go to school and then I go there and stand up and wait till he come in from school. The bus took him right here and drop him off right on gate. I'm working tenants there. So now this disrupt my whole life now.
Ms. Johnson said relocation would have to be agreed by the two families consisting of 7 persons currently living at Garvey's house and would have to involve 2 separate homes for the 2 families. She expressed anger at how the occupants of the property are being treated.
Question is, you have to pick me up and send me go somewhere what you deal with? You better want to make me stay on my yard, you know. Want to make a replica and make me stay on my yard. And every time this thing come up, it agitate my spirit, you know, me agitated about it bad, you know, because I don't like the way they treat me. Oh, you have to pick me up, I'm a type of the land. Oh, you have to pick me up and send me somewhere where me and you never negotiate about. Me not go back over this, you know. Me not go back over this, and me can't deal with this no more, you know. Wait, where is my right?
What is it that you want them to do then?
Good governance. Treat me the way I was supposed to be treated. Okay, you put me in a 3-bedroom house, and there's 2 houses erected in the yard, and me live in a 2-bedroom, and my sister them live in a 3-bedroom.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.